Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your Facebook profile to digital creator. So it's pretty simple. So for this you need to click on menu at the bottom right of your screen. Once you're inside your menu, at the top left corner it's going to display your Facebook profile name. Click on the Facebook profile name and it's going to take you inside your Facebook profile. From inside your Facebook profile at the top right corner you will see the pen icon. Click on it. From inside here scroll all the way down until you see the option called details. Right beside details you will see the blue edit button. Click on it. Once you do that, the second option, category, right beside category you will see a pen icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, at the top you want to search for digital creator. Once you search for digital creator, you will see the digital creator option at the bottom. Click on it. Once you click on the option, you will get a tick mark right beside digital creator. Once that is done, click on save at the bottom and then click on save again to confirm your changes. And as you guys can see, right beside page it says digital creator. That means my Facebook profile is now a digital creator profile. So that is how you guys can change your Facebook profile to digital creator. Hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.